Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now today's recipe is a fantastic starter or a snack and we're going to make it just with onions. How simple is that? Yes, we're going to make crispy, delicious onion rings. Now, these are one of my personal favorites. So let's get started and check it out. For the onion rings, I've taken about 5 medium to large onions. Remove the skin. So cut the onions into 3 portions, so that way you get nice broad rings. So this is a good size. So you can separate the rings from the center. So make sure the rings are nice and broad. So the onion rings are ready, keep this aside. Next, to a bowl add 1.5 cups of Maida or all-purpose flour, half cup corn flour. To this add 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon chilli powder. You can also add paprika powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything together. Now your flour mix is ready. Now I'm going to coat the onion rings with the flour mix. So just dust the onion rings with the flour and keep them aside. So many of you have been asking me how to make this spicy mayo. So it's a very simple dip. Just take about 3 to 4 tablespoons of plain mayo. To this add about 3 tablespoons of red chili sauce. Mix everything together till it's all well combined and it's nice and smooth. So there you go, here is your spicy chili sauce. Keep this aside. So to the flour mix, I'm going to add water to get a nice smooth batter. So gradually pour water and mix till you get a nice smooth batter. You don't want the batter to be too runny. It's easier to mix with a whisk so you won't have any lumps. So the batter for the onion rings is ready. You can see it's not too thick or too runny. It should just coat the onion rings perfectly. Dip the flour coated onions into the batter. Remove it and place it on the breadcrumbs. Coat it with breadcrumbs and deep fry them in hot oil. I've made a video on how to make homemade breadcrumbs. We'll give you the link in the description. You can check it out. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Deep fry the onion rings till they're a nice golden brown color. Wow, those onion rings look perfect. Remove them and serve them nice and hot immediately. Wow, can you hear the crunch? Well, it's that crispy and crunchy. So these onion rings make for a perfect evening snack. Now I've served it with some nice spicy mayo. You can also serve it with some ketchup by the side. So do try the recipe and enjoy.